Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to use the dynamic lock feature in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So that way you could connect your computer to a Bluetooth device such as your phone, and then when you walk away, once it loses that Bluetooth connection, it'll lock your computer automatically. So if you forget to, lock your computer, it's kind of like a little extra security feature to make sure it gets locked rather than sitting there open. It's good to use at the office, that kind of thing. So first of all, you're going to have to make sure your phone is connected to your computer. So in Windows 11, for example, I'm going to kind of go switch back and forth between 11 and 10 here. You just add a device, and then once you get your phone connected, then you'd go to your account setting, and you want to go to sign-in options, and then you got dynamic lock. And then you just check this box and you're good to go. So my phone is going to be connected to the Windows 10 computer, so let me switch over to that. So now I have on the Windows 10 computer here, I want to check this box here under the sign-in options, same thing as the Windows 11, same section. Click on that. So now it's looking for my phone. So I found the phone. So now what I'm going to do is, instead of walking away, because I can't record the video while I'm walking away, I'm just going to turn off the Bluetooth on my phone, and we'll see if it locks the computer here. It takes about a minute or so, as long as you're not, using the computer. If you're using the computer and you have this on, obviously, and you lose the Bluetooth connection, it's not going to lock it. So you have to be not touching the computer and then have the Bluetooth device out of range of the computer. So I'm going to turn off my Bluetooth, and we'll see what happens here. Okay, so it actually locked the computer, but I'm not sure if it actually recorded, so we'll see what happens when the video comes out here. So you'll have to take my word for it if it doesn't show up. So it took about a minute to do, and so it actually locked my computer. Then when I got back to the screen here, I just had to put in my password, and I was good to go there. So once again, just pair your phone or your smartwatch or something that's Bluetooth that's going to be on you, that you don't want to obviously do your Bluetooth printer, because you're not going to walk away with your printer and have it, get out of range of your computer with that. So something that you're wearing or something that you carry with you that's Bluetooth, connect that to your computer. Then go to your account settings, go to the additional sign-in options, and then enable the dynamic lock. Here it is on Windows 10, and then here it is on Windows 11, pretty much in the same section. And then you should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.